Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my very first video. I am Jilu Narkat and I'm studying for CA Inter and I'm going to give my exams in Jan 26. I had passed my foundation exams in Jan 25 and my first video is going to be about tips and tricks which will help you crack foundation exam. Starting with the very first trick is very basic, which is completing your module. It is necessary that you complete your module at least once. This provides conceptual clarity and it helps you to know that what type of questions can be asked in exam. For example, accounts mein when you complete your examples and practical questions, it helps you a lot because ऐसे ही questions exam में आ जाते हैं and they are more and the same of the same level. Secondly, out of 4 subjects, know your strength. At least ऐसा एक subject होगा where you know कि हाँ I'll be able to score in this and do keep your focus on that subject. This will help you increase your overall score. For me it was economics and it helped me to a great extent to increase my score. Learn and relearn. So क्या होता है कि when we have read once and we have learned, उस time we remember, but after few days we forget. So it is necessary that you keep revising that at a gap of few days. And so learn and relearn, so keep revising at intervals. Theory is something which people think it's okay if we don't do, but for me, I would give advice कि कर लो. Theory in basically accounts and QA, which is your third subject, people should learn because बहुत easy questions आ जाते हैं एग्जाम में और direct होते हैं, which will help you again to increase your score. Accounts में तो the first three chapters I think will help you. And in QA also मैंने sampling chapter नहीं किया था and many questions were asked. So yeah, theory is really very necessary and it will help you also. Lastly, give an equal importance to each subject. People think कि it's okay if मैं इस subject पे ज़्यादा focus कर लूँ, इसमें तो सिर्फ passing marks ही चाहिए. But no, don't do that because ईच सब्जेक्ट में एटलीस्ट आपको 40 तो चाहिए ही होंगे एंड 40 तब आएंगे व्हेन यू कंप्लीट एंटायर योर सिलेबस. आप कंप्लीट करो तब. सो आई फील इट इज़ नेसेसरी टू गिव इक्वल इम्पोर्टेंस. डेली प्लान करो कि आप सब्जेक्ट को एटलीस्ट वंस करो. डोंट प्रायोरिटाइज फर्स्ट. लास्ट में आप वैसे कर सकते हो आफ्टर नोइंग योर स्ट्रेंथ, बट एटलीस्ट व्हेन यू आर कंप्लीटिंग वंस, make sure to give equal importance to each subject. So that's it. I hope these tricks help you score. And yeah, so please recommend ki next videos किस पे I should make. And yeah, bye.